How are we doing everyone? It's Jiggy here, and in this video we'll be looking at converting between the binary and hexadecimal number systems. Firstly, we'll convert between binary and hexadecimal. Let's take a look at the following binary number. I'm not going to read that one out because that is a long number, but you can see it there. The first thing we do is split the number up into groups of 4, and always remember to go from right to left when you split a number up. If we now convert the groups of 4 into denary numbers, we're going to have this here. From right to left, 1101 is 13, 0110 is 6, 1011 is 11, and 0010 is 2. What we need to do then is convert each of these denary numbers to hexadecimal. We'll start with 1101. Let's find out what this corresponds to in our hexadecimal list. We're going to need to look up the hexadecimal symbol list in order to find out what corresponds to position 13. We can see that 13 in denary corresponds to D in hexadecimal. That means we can go and put a D in the 13 column. Great, we've dealt with our first group of 4 now. All we need to do is the exact same except for the 3 other groups. 6 is next, which should be straightforward. 6 in denary is simply 6 in hexadecimal. That means we can put a 6 in. Next, we're going to deal with 11. 11 in denary corresponds to B in hexadecimal. That means we can go ahead and put B in the 11 column. Finally, we have 2 left to deal with, which, like 6, should be straightforward. 2 in denary is simply 2 in hexadecimal. So we can go ahead and put 2 in and we're done. That means that the long binary number that we mentioned at the start is 2B, 6D in hexadecimal. Next we're going to look at converting from hexadecimal to binary. Let's have a look at converting 4D in hexadecimal to a binary number. Essentially all we're going to do is go backwards. Firstly, we're going to look at what D corresponds to in denary by looking up our table. D corresponds to 13 in denary. That means we can put 13 in the D column. Next, we'll deal with the 4. 4 in denary is simply 4 in hexadecimal. So we can go ahead and put a 4 in. We now have 4 and 13. What we'll need to do next is convert each of these into a binary number. We'll start off with 13. We need to apply a knowledge of converting from denary to binary here to the number 13. 13 in denary will be 1101 in binary. And we're done with 13. Next we'll do the same for 4. And 4 in binary will be 0100. And we're done. That means we're left with 0100, 1101. So 4D in hexadecimal is therefore 0100, 1101 in binary. Now we know how to convert between the hexadecimal and binary number systems.